Can you imagine a life abroad with your children? Are you wondering how to make the numbers work? Well, the Moving Abroad Calculator is designed specifically for solo parents like you to bring clarity to your financial planning. This easy to use tool helps you take control of your budget and understand the financial possibilities of your international move. Here's how to use it. Tell us where you are and where you're going. Input your current city and country. This helps input your current country. This helps the calculator understand your financial starting point. You're going to choose your dream destination abroad from the list. This is where the magic of geo arbitrage comes in. You're going to select your currency for your chosen destination. This is crucial for your future accurate comparisons. You're going to list the number of adults in your household. You're also going to list the number of children that will be joining you on this adventure. Input your monthly income into your current total monthly expenses. This will give you an opportunity to see where you can cut costs. This is a powerful step. Inputting your current spending on your household each month, the calculator will show you how redirecting this significant expense can become a major source of funds for your move abroad. You're going to be able to select your intended travel status abroad, consistently or moving or settling for longer periods of time. Whether this is full or part time, this helps tailor income and expense projections based on your lifestyle. Specify the currency in which you earn your income. Enter your desired monthly living budget for your new destination. Once you've entered your details, the calculator will provide a personalized financial snapshot. You'll see how your current housing costs can be leveraged, how your income translates into your new destination's currency, and how your desired budget compares to potential living costs abroad. It demystifies the money side of moving abroad, helping you feel more confident and in control of your journey towards a life of peace and freedom with your family. Start calculating your future today.